Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the "Your PC does not meet security requirements" for Call of Duty Bios Firmware Update Required error in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4. Activision currently requires TPM 2.0 and secure boot for the Modern Warfare 4 beta, and if your system still fails the security check, you may also need to update your BIOS firmware. Let's get started. First, open the official Activision support page linked in the description of this video. Scroll down until you find the Call of Duty Secure Attestation Wizard. Download the latest version. Activision currently provides the wizard as a zip file. Once the download is complete, open the zip folder. Extract COD Secure Attestation Wizard.exe to your desktop. Now right-click the file and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when Windows asks for permission. Follow the instructions inside the wizard and run the system scan. Wait for the Secure Attestation Wizard to finish scanning your PC. If you receive the message BIOS Firmware Update Required, your current BIOS may need to be updated. Return to the Activision support page. Scroll down until you find the section containing links for different motherboard and PC manufacturers. You may see manufacturers such as Asus, MSI, Gigabyte, Lenovo, HP, Dell, Acer, and others. Select the manufacturer of your motherboard or computer. For example, if you have an Asus motherboard or laptop, open the Asus support link. On the manufacturer's website, search for the exact model of your motherboard, desktop, or laptop. It is very important that you select the exact model. Do not download a BIOS intended for a different motherboard or computer. Once you are on the support page for your exact model, open the Drivers and Tools Support or similar section. Find BIOS and Firmware. Locate the latest BIOS version available for your specific model. Read the release notes and installation instructions provided by the manufacturer. Then download the BIOS update. Depending on your computer or motherboard, you may need to copy the BIOS file to a USB flash drive before installing it. Follow the BIOS update instructions provided by your motherboard or PC manufacturer. The exact process is different depending on the manufacturer. Once the BIOS update is complete, restart your PC. If your system now passes the security check, launch Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 and check if the error has been resolved. And that's all there is to it.